Here everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download GTA San Andreas on your Android device. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, honestly, there are a lot of free ways to download GTA out there, but you need to be careful. Many of those can come with a risk like viruses or malware. That's why I highly suggest downloading it from the Play Store. So now open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type GTA San Andreas. Then type search. Now look for the official game published by Rockstar Games. Make sure that it is a real one to avoid fake or unsafe version. Alright, so tap on the game, then tap the purchase button to buy it. Once your payment is completed, the download will start automatically. After the installation is finished, you can open the game right away from the Play Store or find it in your home screen and start playing. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded GTA San Andreas on your Android phone. Thanks for watching and enjoy the game.